What's the meaning of broad-based? Broad-based. Broad-based.
Broad-based. Broad-based. The term broad-based generally refers to something that is widespread and inclusive, incorporating a large number of people or elements. When used in the context of an economic or social situation, broad-based typically implies that growth or change is being experienced across a range of sectors and demographics, rather than just being limited to a particular group or industry. For example, a broad-based economic recovery would indicate that multiple sectors are experiencing growth at the same time, rather than just one or two isolated industries. Overall, broad-based can be seen as a positive indicator of widespread progress and development.